Hey, it's Brittany Inns, your Houston realtor. So we are here on the southeast side of Houston today, looking at a Taylor Morrison model home in the new construction community of Morgan's Landing. And so one of the really cool things about Morgan's Landing is the proximity to Galveston and the southeast side of Houston for commuting purposes. And so what I wanted to show you with Taylor Morrison here was their model home called the Jasmine. They're actually about a year out from closing out completely in this community, and so they do have a few lots to build on. They've got some inventory homes available, and so they are preparing to be finished and to close out this community pretty soon. Things are going to start moving pretty fast in the next few months as far as the closeout process goes. But they have a great Jasmine plan here, and the price point here is a little bit lower than some of the other parts of town, and so I think that is within buyers' budgets. And so if you're looking out this way, I think this is a good option for you to at least take a look at. And so if you're ready, let's go take a look at this one. All right, we're looking at the Jasmine plan. So there are some customizations to this plan. First of all, it's 2267 square feet. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath. There's a game room and a media room on the second floor, and there's a flex room on the first floor. So this one has, as you saw, the third bay on the outside of the home. You can also do a 3-car tandem garage. The other option would be, instead of having the 3-car garage, you can turn the 3-car into an additional bedroom. Enjoy.